Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see a list of administrative tools on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search magnifying glass down in your taskbar. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and you want to scroll down until you get to Windows Tools, and go ahead and left click on that. And this should give you all of the administrator tools on your computer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.